everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will learn how to install Google Drive in laptop, or how to install Google Drive on Windows. There is a Google Drive download link in the video description. Clicking the link will bring you to this page. Now just click on Download Drive for desktop. Once the download is complete, click on the downloaded file to install it. You will also find the file in the download folder. So just click on it to install it. Click on Install. Click Launch. Welcome to Google Drive. Click on Get Started. Now we need to sign in with Gmail ID. If you don't have Gmail account, you can create Gmail from here. I have a Gmail ID, so I will click on Sign In. You will be directed to your browser to finish signing into your account. So now we are going to log in here using our Gmail account. Make sure you download this app from Google. Yes, we have downloaded it. Success! You have signed into Google Drive. To continue, close this window and return to Google Drive. We can skip these because we will use the files of our choice in Google Drive. Next, open Drive. Now our Google Drive is ready to use. We can see it from here. You can pin it to the taskbar. You can delete these. You can also see it by clicking on Thick PC. You can see it's already installed here like the other storage disks. 7.8 GB free of 15 GB. I've already used this space, so it shows this available space here. I hope this video can bring you a lot of help. Thank you very much for watching this video.